Let's add monomials. So, meron tayong tatlong example. First is 4p plus negative 6p. So, magkapareho yung variable. Kaya i-add lang natin yung numerical coefficient. So, we have 4 plus negative 6. And then, meron tayong p. Ayan. So, 4 plus negative 6. So, magiging negative 2. At i-add natin yung p. Kaya ang sagot ay negative 2p for number 1. Okay, next, number 2. Negative 2b squared plus negative 4b squared. So, ito magiging negative, magkapareho, no? b squared. Kaya pwede natin i-add. Negative 2 plus negative 4 b squared. So, negative 2 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 6. Kaya ang sagot natin ay negative 6b squared. And then, number 3, negative 5u plus 7u. Actually, meron yung u, no? So, pareho ng variable. Kaya pwede natin yan i-negative 5 plus 7u. So, negative 5 plus 7 is equal to positive 2. And then, kopyahin yung variable u. Kaya meron tayo 2u. So, ganun lang ang tamang pag-add ng monomials.